As the president of AUGA, I believe art exists as culture thrives, and culture thrives through community. Nabubuhay ang kultura sa pakikihalubilo ng komunidad patungo sa sabayang pamilya. And we owe it to the people who serves as our backbone to revolutionize the worldview of art through art itself. In a world where mainstream art is our immediate reach, we must notice how society, even in a creative environment, throws performing arts under the radar, oftentimes not seeing through the hardships of artists in producing stage productions, musical performances, dance numbers, and so much more. And it is evident through media consumption how people deny the relevance of entertainment when in fact we lean on these art forms in terms of boredom, stress, uncertainty, and it is even heightened during the pandemic.
Hindi matutumbasan ng kahit anong gantimpala ang kalayaang tala ng sining. Nababago, oo, umaatras, sumusulong, bato balani, pusong pagal, naghihilom, lumalaya.
Panahon na, tingnan mo ating bakas. Kahapon natin ay ang sinag ng bukas. Ang sining ay hindi lang sining, ito ang dugo, pawis at ating paglaya. Kaya naman ngayon, ating balikan ang kulay ng kahapon. Kaya ako ngayon ay nilikha ng awit ng pagbaon. Likha na, halika na, bigyan natin ang kulay ng umaga. Tara na, tahan na, tayo'y bubuo ng obra maestra. Kalayaan ating taglay, tuloy ang aral ang mahulay. Alam moda, you see my wangis, I'm a rider. Trees are falling, punis folding. We come running, we come gushing. Paglipas ng araw, wag mong indahin. Bagong yugto ating tanggapin. Mong kalinang pangarap, aanihin. Ani ng sining, ito ay atin.
Hindi na to biro, wala nang pakipot. Tuloy-tuloy lang sa paggawa at dun sa pagabot ng ating pangarap. Tayo magsumikap,